Hi guys, I'm Samuel from Beijing Botech Steel Structure Engineering Corporation Limited, and let me introduce you our exhibition hall. And first, I'm going to introduce you my company. This will be the introduction profile we have, and you can see over here, we are just live here. This is the industrial building we have. This is our factory, and this is our office building in Zhangjiakou, Hebei province, and which is also the new base we have, and just put into operation in September 2015. And Botech Steel Structure Limited was founded in 2003, and our registered capital was up to 80 million yuan through 20 years of efforts. Botech Steel Structure have developed into a domestic leading specialized company in architecture contracting, and which also include design, research, manufacturing, and assembly. And let's move to another part. And this is all the products models we have. And first over here, this is our star product, is the steel structure, just like our name. And here, this is the composite sandwich panel. And these walls are also all color steel plates for walls or the roofs. And this one is a steel wooden keel formwork supporting system for concrete casting. We are doing not only just the structure, the raw material, and we also do the customization. And the first one is the industrial building or warehouse. Industrial buildings and warehouse mainly use a portal frame structure to achieve a larger span. It is divided into many different forms, such as the ones with crane or without crane, or with interlayers, etc. And this structure has the advantage of low cost, convenience, and quick assembly. And let's move on. The public commercial building is also one of the customization we have. The public commercial buildings use the multi-layer steel frame just like this as the main structure. And the layout is flexible with attractive appearance. It's very cost effective and with short construction period. And after that, let me introduce you the residential building. The residential buildings we have are customized with light steel structure, creating the ideal house for the customers. And the structure is stable, the cost is low, the span of the space is large, and the construction period is short and easy to transport. And now the second last one is temporary building. The temporary building are container house and mobile houses, which are cost effective, flame retardant, fireproof, warm in winter and cool in summer, and very easy to transfer. And they have short construction period and high reutilization rate. Above all this, we also have the very special customized project, just like this one. It's very different shape and very strange shape. This project are mainly large span, special purpose, and unconventional and specialized shaped structure on landmarks, and meet different needs of customers. The layout of columns is flexible, and the systematic performance is improved obviously. And this one, I would really want you to pay attention, is the steel wooden keel formwork supporting system for concreting. The installation of this system is standardized, simple, and equipped with modular equipment. It is highly reusable and has good construction quality for concreting. And also, we have the high technology product, just like this one. The laser cutting products, you can see from here, this is the Eiffel Tower, and this is the Temple of Heaven, which is very famous in Beijing, China. And they features very fast processing power and beautiful shapes, with a variety of types, and the products are widely used in construction with smooth incisions and high accuracy. And after finishing all the introduction of the project we have, let me show you the awards we have been winning in the past 20 years. And just over here, that a lot of very honorable awards we have won. And as you can see from this voice, also some examples and the good ones of our projects we have. This one, just like this one, is the high-speed railway station in Zhangjiakou, Hebei province, the city where they will hold the Olympic Games. And just before the introduction, we have the many other examples just like this, and the industrial buildings, all the residential buildings, all commercial markets we have. And that will be all.